When disaster strikes and you're faced with the need for emergency roofing services, you need to choose the right company. Not only do these contractors provide quality roofing services, but they also provide warranties and installation warranties. These are just a few of the reasons that you should hire an emergency roofing company in Buffalo, New York. If you're in need of emergency roofing services, make sure to call the right company today. The following companies offer top quality service: Collingwood Construction, All Access Builders, NetSun Incorporated, Switala Burner Construction, and others. Collingwood Construction, located in Gettsville. Collingwood Construction is a family-owned and operated construction company. Among their services are emergency roofing, door and window installation, and other home improvement projects. They are also available for emergency service 24 hours a day. They have extensive experience in the construction industry, which is reflected in their many satisfied customers. If you need emergency roofing in Buffalo, New York, contact Collingwood Construction today. Located in Gettsville, Collingwood Construction specializes in emergency roofing repair and replacement. Their expert staff is trained in the installation and repair of thermoplastic polyolefin and polyvinyl chloride. They are also certified in Hydrostop and a member of the Southtown Builders Association. Collingwood Construction is a top-rated emergency roofing company in Buffalo, New York. They serve residential and commercial clients in the area. All Access Builders AVA Roofing Siding is a family-owned and operated business with over 30 years of experience in residential and commercial roofing. This company specializes in re-roofing, installation, and repair for a variety of home exteriors, including shingles, metal roofs, siding, gutters, trim, and doors. In addition to emergency roofing services, AVA offers a variety of other services, including garage construction and window installations, siding, gutters, and door casing. If you have a leaking roof, All Access Builders is a Buffalo, New York, roofing emergency service that can respond quickly to fix the problem. This family-owned business is licensed and insured and provides unbiased roofing information to help you make an informed decision regarding the best roofing solution for your home. They have an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and a long list of satisfied clients. NetSun Incorporated. As a certified installer of all commercial roofing systems, NetSun Incorporated offers free estimates to their clients. In addition to Buffalo, New York, they serve the communities of Rochester, Orlando, and Rochester, Florida. They have the knowledge and expertise to install any type of roof, from commercial to residential. Many top-quality roofing systems require specialized training to install properly. To learn more about the benefits of hiring a certified roofer, contact NetSun Incorporated for a free estimate. We have hired NetSun Incorporated on several occasions. We needed painting services for an old house in Allentown, and they took care of any leaking roof problems. They were courteous, professional, and completed the job quickly and efficiently. We were impressed with the quality of their work. I recommend them to all of my family and friends. If you're considering hiring a roofing contractor, contact NetSun Incorporated today for a free estimate. Switala Burner Construction. If your roof has just blown off, and you're wondering who to call, look no further. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.